On your mark, get set, go. Look at the job it does on this soil. Just breaks it all up. This is one of our garden patches. It's 6 feet deep by 16 feet long. And to turn over the soil and get it ready for planting, we use a pitchfork, a metal tine rake, stirrup hoe, and a shovel. And it takes somewhere between 2 to 3 hours to do all that. We're gonna pitch these and try out the cordless tiller. I really think it's gonna take a lot less time than 2 or 3 hours to do this garden plot. But let's see. I've been wanting to test out one of these for quite a while. So let's open it up and see what we have. I'm amazed an entire tiller fits in this box. And the fact that it all collapses is a plus for the off season. This is the blades. It's an interesting, look at that. Mechanisms of mayhem. It's like a puzzle you get to put together. Not bad at all. The batteries and charger cable. What else is in here? Oh, the handle. And a couple tools. You know what to do with the box. Get a quick view on the instructions and put this together. The design is well thought out. The instruction manual is solid. There's minimal bolts and there's tools to help put those in place. Yeah, I mean, I have my own tools, but if you were setting this up somewhere, you forgot the tools, that's a pain. You can't put this together. Having tools like this with the box is good. Off season, if you didn't want to hang it up on a wall or something, you could just take it apart in 3 components and you'd be done. There doesn't seem to be a left or right side on the tines. Again, that's another good design feature. There's holes here and there's holes here, so you just line them up, cinch down these bolts and get back to you. The Allen bolts have lock washers and they're in place. Lots of good metal components. This is a plastic component, but looks pretty beefy. There's a little groove so that you line it up. The plug only goes in one way, which is good. Tighten this down. Lots of good design. All the connections are solid. Line it up, line the pins up. The handle is adjustable for a full range of motion. That's nice. And locks in place. Charge the batteries. They're 20 volts, 2 amps. It's got a safety lock and a trigger switch. So you push this in and there you go. Not going to fire it up in here. We'll go outside and do that. There's also an indicator and showing you how much battery life you have left. And as manuals go, this one is pretty good. On page 8 has a little guy and it shows you the suggested directions for tilling your garden. So that's pretty decent. Now it's time to take this outside to the garden and put it to the test. On your mark, get set, go. Time. It took 5 minutes in 6 seconds to do 2 passes on this garden plot, as opposed to 2 to 3 hours. The tines have got some roots in there and some landscaping fabric, and it's still powering through. I thought that it would grind the paint away. Nope, just the tips. Not bad. Let's see how much of the battery's left. 2 out of 3 sections on the battery are still there, ready to go. This is amazing. It turned 2 to 3 hours of manual labor into a little over 5 minutes. Another great use for this tiller is if you're preparing soil for lawn seed. This is an area where we had 2 trees taken out and the stumps ground, and I thought I had great lawn seed down, but I probably had too much mulch, the wood mulch chips. So I'm just going to go in here and that's so much easier than trying to get a rake or one of those tine rakes or a shovel in to hard compacted soil. This cordless tiller is an amazing device. If you do any kind of garden work or you want to keep your lawn up, this tiller is your answer. This is a very well thought out design. I wish I would have gotten this a long time ago. It would have saved me so much time and body ache. I was a little skeptical that the battery wasn't going to be enough, but it just powered through. This thing is a monster at tilling soil. I'll post a discount code and a link to this product if you're interested. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of honest reviews of gear, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, garden tips, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what kind of mechanized mayhem you're gonna see.